RocketMQ is an open-source distributed messaging and streaming platform developed by the Alibaba Group. It is designed to provide reliable, scalable, and high-throughput messaging capabilities for handling large volumes of data and real-time event streaming. Here's an overview of RocketMQ. 1. Messaging and streaming. RocketMQ enables the exchange of messages and real-time streaming of data between different components or systems. It follows a publish-subscribe messaging pattern where producers send messages to topics, and consumers subscribe to these topics to receive messages. It supports both asynchronous and synchronous message delivery. 2. Scalability and high performance. RocketMQ is built to handle high message loads and offers horizontal scalability. It is capable of supporting thousands of brokers and millions of messages per second. It achieves high performance through features like message batching, asynchronous communication, and optimized storage and retrieval mechanisms. 3. Message persistence. RocketMQ ensures message durability by persisting messages to disk before delivering them to consumers. This ensures that messages are not lost even in the case of system failures or restarts. It supports different storage options, including local disk storage and distributed storage systems like Apache Hadoop Distributed File System, HDFS. 4. Fault tolerance and high availability. RocketMQ provides fault tolerance and high availability through features like message replication and broker clustering. It supports synchronous replication of messages across multiple brokers to ensure data redundancy and reliability. In case of broker failures, RocketMQ automatically switches to the standby broker to maintain uninterrupted message delivery. 5. Ordering and transactional messaging. RocketMQ supports message ordering, allowing messages with the same key or within the same ordering group to be processed in a strictly sequential order. This is important in scenarios where message sequence matters, such as financial transactions. RocketMQ also provides transactional messaging, where producers can send messages in a transactional manner, ensuring atomicity and consistency. 6. Message filtering and tagging. RocketMQ allows consumers to filter messages based on specific criteria using tags. Producers can assign tags to messages, and consumers can subscribe to specific tags to receive only relevant messages. This provides a flexible way to route and filter messages based on different attributes. 7. Integration with Apache Kafka. RocketMQ provides a Kafka-compatible API, allowing applications developed for Apache Kafka to seamlessly work with RocketMQ. This enables easy migration or integration of existing Kafka-based applications with RocketMQ without significant code changes. 8. Monitoring and management. RocketMQ provides a web-based console called RocketMQ Console, which offers monitoring and management capabilities. It allows administrators to monitor message queues, topics, consumers, and brokers. It also provides features for configuring and managing various aspects of the RocketMQ cluster. 9. Cloud-native capabilities. RocketMQ supports cloud-native deployments and integration with container orchestration platforms like Kubernetes. It provides features such as auto-scaling, dynamic topic creation, and seamless integration with cloud services, making it well-suited for cloud environments. Certainly. Here are some additional details about RocketMQ. 10. Message storage models. RocketMQ supports two message storage models, file system-based and message queue-based. In the file system-based model, messages are stored in files on disk, while in the message queue-based model, messages are stored in memory-mapped files for faster access. This flexibility allows users to choose the storage model based on their specific requirements and performance needs. 11. Message broadcast. RocketMQ provides a broadcasting feature, where messages sent to a topic can be delivered to all subscribed consumers. This is useful in scenarios where multiple consumers need to receive and process the same message independently. It enables broadcasting information or events to a large number of consumers simultaneously. 12. Message batch processing. RocketMQ supports message batching, allowing producers to send multiple messages together in a single batch. This reduces network overhead and improves throughput by reducing the number of individual network round trips. Consumers can also consume messages in batches, improving efficiency. 13. Message query and tracing. RocketMQ offers message query and tracing capabilities. It provides APIs and tools to search for messages based on various criteria such as message ID, topic, key, and timestamp. This is useful for debugging and troubleshooting purposes. RocketMQ also supports distributed tracing, allowing users to trace the flow of messages across different components in a distributed system. 14. Message replay and compensation. RocketMQ provides the ability to replay and compensate for messages. It allows users to replay messages from a specific offset or time to reprocess them in case of failures or errors. This feature is particularly useful in scenarios where data consistency is crucial, and it provides a way to recover from failures without data loss. 15. Authentication and authorization. RocketMQ supports authentication and authorization mechanisms to ensure secure message communication. It provides options for configuring authentication plugins to authenticate producers and consumers. Access control can be enforced by defining user roles and permissions to restrict message access and operations. 16. Extensibility and community. RocketMQ has a growing community of users and contributors. It supports pluggable features through a plugin mechanism, allowing users to extend its functionality or integrate with other systems. The community actively develops and maintains various client libraries and connectors for different programming languages and frameworks. 17. Commercial support. While RocketMQ is an open-source project, commercial support and consulting services are available through Alibaba Cloud and other third-party vendors. These services provide additional assistance, enterprise-level support, and expertise for organizations using RocketMQ in production environments. RocketMQ is widely used in large-scale, high-performance messaging and streaming scenarios, such as real-time data processing, log aggregation, event-driven architectures, and IoT applications. Its robustness, scalability, and rich feature set make it a popular choice for businesses that require reliable and efficient message communication at scale.